today is about coolant. So I'm going to replace this coolant hose and that hose, and I have them right here. I'm going to use a pair of pliers to get this top clamp off. This side is held on by a flathead screw. Alright, not so bad. So for this hose, it's just another one of these clamps. So I was able to catch most of the coolant in the bucket. And by most, I mean a little bit. Now it's time for the new hoses to go in. Alright, got the bottom hose on. Now it's just time to screw it down. Okay. Got the hoses connected. Now I want to drain the system, so I've got to drain the radiator, which means undoing this plug. Oh. Okay, so for flushing it, first step is to fill it with this stuff. Okay, so I filled it up the rest of the way with water, so now I'm just going to run it for about 10 minutes with the heater on. So ran it for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to drain the radiator again and repeat the process with just water. Now another round of straight water. Time for round 2. Alright, there's the second time. It's a little better. Still pretty bad, so I'll keep going. Great day to do this, by the way. Fantastic. Alrighty, last time. Final drain. So yeah, the water coming out here is looking a lot better than it was, so it's good progress. Now it's time for the coolant. Just running the engine again to get the water out of the block so it doesn't freeze, but no more low coolant lights, so the dashboard is clean. Sweet, so filled up the radiator and the reserve tank, so, and no leaks, so that's great. So coolant issue is solved, so now I'm gonna shift gears onto figuring out how to get a door on here because there's no glass. So if I can swap it out with the 94's door, then I will have glass. First thing, get this door off. That would be those bolts right there. Alrighty, 1 down, 3 to go. Nice. Okay, so I can't quite get to this bolt because of this bracket here, so okey-dokey, second bolt. Okay, so I got all the bolts out. Now I'm just, last step of the process is to get this little rubber boot. Oh shit. Whew, it's out. And it wasn't easy. These two wiring harness clips were so far up inside the car, it nearly killed me getting them out, but it's out. That part's done. Alright, it's time to start pulling off trim, so let's see what's going on back there. Alright, here's the door panel with all the plastic removed, and I'm thinking that these 2 wires here go to the motor that races the window, because there's something big here and there's 2 wires going to it, so that leads me to believe that it's the motor. I guess there's only one way to find out. Alright, that looks pretty promising. Let's go get our battery here. Let's see if this doesn't work. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, right there. Come on. Yes! Awesome. Okay, so as far as the door goes, I've got it off. So all that's left is just need to take the door off this one and then slap it on, see if I can hook up power to it. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next episode.